In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily attach a file in Jira software. By the end, you'll know 2 different ways to add documents, screenshots, or any other files to your Jira issues, making your workplace collaboration smoother and keeping all the details right where your team needs them. Let's jump right in. The first method is the good old drag and drop. Start by opening up the specific Jira issue you want to work on. Make sure this is the exact issue. Think of it like opening the right folder before putting important papers in, so everything stays organized later. Now, over on your computer, open the folder where your file lives. It might be your desktop, downloads, or somewhere else. I like to place the Jira issue window and the File Explorer side by side on my screen. Just makes things a bit easier. Next, simply click and hold on the file with your mouse, then drag it directly into the Attachments area in Jira. You'll usually see a little Drop Files to Attach box appear when you hover over this area. Go ahead and let go of the mouse. Just drop the file there, and Jira will automatically start uploading it for you. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your file, it might take a few seconds. You'll know it's attached when you see the file listed right in the issue. Drag and drop is great when you've got the file handy and want to add it quickly, like attaching a screenshot you just saved or dropping in a spec sheet someone emailed you. But what if you don't have the file window open, or you want to browse for it the traditional way? No problem. That's where method 2 comes in, using the More menu. Once again, start by opening the Jira issue where you want to attach your file. Look for the More button. Sometimes it might be represented by 3 little dots, depending on how your Jira instance is set up. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu. In that menu, choose Attach Files. A file browser will pop up, letting you navigate through your folders just like you would if you were opening a file in Word or Photoshop. Now, just find the file or files you want to attach, select them, and either click Attach or Open. Jira takes it from there and uploads everything straight into the issue. This method is perfect if you aren't sure exactly where your file is or you're attaching multiple documents at once. Say, a set of mockups or a bunch of log files after some troubleshooting. It's really that simple. Remember, once the files are uploaded, anyone who has access to that Jira issue can see them, download them, or even update them as the work progresses. So double-check that you're not uploading anything sensitive or in the wrong place. And if you ever need to remove an attachment, just use the little trash can icon next to the file in Jira. Attaching files in Jira is an easy way to keep all the context and details together. No more digging through email attachments or shared drives. You and your team will always be on the same page. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any trouble. I read every question and try to help where I can. And make sure to subscribe for more simple, real-world tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.